try this one more time, y'all. See if I can catch this lightning. You can hear the thunder rumbling. You see a little flash of the lights just in the air. But every time I put my camera away, I miss the direct lightning. But every time I try to record it, it don't want to ever show. I see why people, you know, get paid a lot. They get good footage, like, you know, catching certain parts of Mother Nature, because you got to be extra patient. You never know when it's going to come. And then you got to hope that you get that shot that you want. Felt like I got a lightning one on that one, but I couldn't really tell. But yeah, this is Bangkok, Thailand, y'all. Rainy day in September, like some of the rainiest time, like other places. September is one of those kind of rainy months. You know, like anywhere from June to like November in most places, it's rainy season. Unless you go to like, you know, places like Australia or whatnot, then it's like reverse. Or summertime is they wintertime and vice versa. Oh, I got it that time, y'all. Oh yeah. We got some good lightning on here. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so y'all got what y'all came to see. We got some lightning on here from Mike TNC. Travel with us. Check our YouTube page out. Like and subscribe. Travel with Mike TNC. Get good pictures and videos like this. Beautiful, beautiful Bangkok, Thailand.